Simple average method. In this we will be discussing problems number 1 and 2. Let me read problem number 1. The following are the profits of a firm in the last 5 years. 2014 rupees 10,000, 2015 rupees 11,000, 2016 rupees 12,000, 2017 rupees 13,000 and 2018 rupees 14,000. Calculate the value of goodwill at 2 years purchase of average profit of 5 years. So this is the given information in the problem. So first let us actually proceed to calculate the average profit under this first as a first step. So here I just give the heading as calculation of average profit. Calculation of average profit. So after writing this heading, okay, so we will just proceed to actually calculate. Now I will write the formula. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. Okay, so my total profit is going to be actually the years that have been given. Okay, so you can see in the given problem, so for 2014 it will be 10,000. So I will just mention the amount, that is profit amount alone for the respective years. 10,000 plus 11,000 followed by 12,000 plus 13,000 and then plus 14,000. So this will be number of years is actually 5 years they have mentioned. So as I am totaling it, so I will be getting rupees 60,000 as the number of total number of years, now divided by 5. So this will give me rupees 12,000 as average profit. Now we will proceed to calculate goodwill. So next step will be calculation of goodwill. So you know the formula for goodwill. Okay, so goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase. So now we have calculated the average profit as rupees 12,000, and you can see here the problem says number of years of purchase is 2 years. Okay, can you see here actually it is mentioning as actually 2 years purchase. Okay, so that I will be just showing here as multiplied by 2. Thus you get a value of rupees 24,000 as goodwill. Okay, now let us move to work out problem number 2. Solution for problem number 2. So let me read the problem 2 for you. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of average profit of the last 4 years. Okay, so in this case you can see there are 4. Okay, it is given in the form of a tabular column. Okay, a table is given. So years, then the result and the amount. So 2015, 16 and 18 gives you a profit. So let me show. Okay, these 3 will give you a profit, but this alone, this year alone will give you what actually loss. So whenever there is a loss, you have to just subtract that particular value. Okay, so now let us just proceed to calculate the. So here also let me give the heading calculation of average profit. Okay, so here I write the formula. Average profit is equal to total profit divided by number of years. So here I just start entering the values. 5,000 plus 8,000, and here this is a loss year. So, what I show minus 3,000 plus 6,000, this value divided by number of years is actually 4. So, when I add up and after calculating all this, I will be getting rupees 16,000 divided by 4. Thus, you are getting rupees 4,000 as your average profit. Now, as usual, start calculating. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. The problem says number of 4,000 we have calculated here, into number of years of purchase 3. The problem says, you can see it is going to be 3 years, number of years of purchase. Rupees 12,000 will be the value of goodwill. Hope you follow these problems.